welcome back to the channel. It's good to be back, and it's bad to be back as well because we're here in quarantine just like almost everyone in the world is right now. As you can see, guys, this is my daily routine. I'm doing a couple of things around the house, just like I was cutting the grass, painting the house, and doing other stuff. So it's been pretty bad, you know. Well, what can you do? You gotta do what the law says, and you want to protect yourself in these times, because this is a really critical disease, and it's critical, guys, not just for us but for older people as well. We want to prevent and not bring the disease home. I mean, there has been many cases where younger people have died because of the disease, but the odds are really slim to none. But you know, you want to protect those older generations by not going out and not bringing that disease to your home, to your mom, to your dad, or to your grandfather. Anyways, guys, while my grass cutting machine is charging, because it's a Ryobi electric machine, I wanted to talk to you guys about a couple of updates I'm doing, things I'm going to do. I ordered some parts for the Volvo. They will be arriving around mid next week. I'm gonna start installing that so I can fix this car up and give it to my girlfriend. I ordered some spark plugs, I ordered the fuel filter, I ordered the intake filter, and the motor mounts are out of stock. Updates for other cars. I'm right now in my Mustang, and I have a pretty good surprise I ordered. I'm not going to tell you guys. I'm going to include a screenshot of some of the descriptions so you guys can guess basically what it's going to be. But I'm going to install everything here in my house and hopefully do some of the tuning remotely for that component. But more on that later. That's arriving around at April 20 to April 27. I have to unbox and see everything, if everything is there. But other than that, it has been a pretty chill quarantine. I've taken the time to clean up my garage, fix the garage door, and I want to paint the garage, as I said. Paint the floor, you know, bring it up to life so I could work all my videos and it looks pretty nice and decent in the videos. So yeah, guys, that is my basic quarantine update for April 11th. Just cutting grass and ordering parts for my car. That's what you guys got to do. You got to stay in your home and work on your cars, and if not, work on your house and do productive things. I've been playing Call of Duty as well, so pretty good game. I'm not sponsored by them, but Call of Duty Mobile is pretty awesome, so I suggest you guys download that and try it out. Alright guys, please stay safe, stay in your house, and until next time, please remember to subscribe and hit post notifications for more Garage Gang. Take care.